Hello everyone, let's make a simple birthday card. All you need is some pieces of cardstocks. Initially we are going to make a base of a cake. All you need is to draw a rectangular shape. Use your free hands to do so. Now cut this rectangular in a very freely manner like I am doing right now. Now I am going to cut another piece of rectangle, but this will be smaller than the previous one. Next we will cut a thin strip of sheet to decorate the cake base. We will repeat the same process for the second base also. Cut down the extras. We will use our free hands to make 2 layers of cream as shown. Yeah, thank you.